Alright, today guys, we're gonna make some chicken and sweet potatoes after my workout. First off guys, wash the potatoes. Now guys, cut these in half. And now guys, we got our sweet potatoes cut up in half. And now, let's bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And cook it for 45 minutes. I'm gonna start it. Put it in here. Now I'm gonna wait for that. Now let's cook our chicken. Alright guys, get some butter on the pan. Let it melt. Okay, guys, let's add our chicken to our pan. Just like that. Put it apart. Break it apart. Alright guys, add our favorite seasening. We'll do Himalayan salt first.